Lupita, and this is my project for Smart Irrigation using IoT with Skyfi Labs. The idea is to use an Arduino to water a plant automatically when the moisture in the soil lowers. I don't have a plant with me right now, but we will use plant water as substitute. The moisture prong is connected to the moisture sensor interconnected to the Arduino. We also have an ESPN 8260 module to upload the data to the internet and the monitor drive to drive the pump. Let's take a look at the application. This is going to take a while because the internet is slow, but let's see. Thanks for watching.